support Pirates, whether you support Kaizer, kodwa ekugcineni kosuku siyi-Durban City namhlanje. Yeah, I'm saying. You know where I'm at right now, nigga. Sundowns ngala. Awe eChopongwa nomkhulu sonke sogodu mathamnandi njengoshukela njengomhlane nompeko another video, you know what's up. Yes sir. So guys, today it's another day, it's another dollar to be made. Yes sir. So today guys, I'm actually at work. I'm working right now, you know what I'm saying? So I was just like, let me download the video, cause we're listening at home. So like, today, me and my friends, we're actually vying to like, we're vying to watch football, Glale Sundowns in the Durban City at Chatsworth Stadium. And we're really hoping ukuthi i-Durban City izoyishaya Sundowns ukuthi kanjani. I don't know, bruh. I don't know. As abafans Pirates. So yeah. Don't forget to subs, guys. We subscribe, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna be meeting my friends after this. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Yes. Yeah. So we're done for the day. So right now, I'm actually here to buy my tickets. Yeah, I'm actually waiting for my friends. So I was like, let me buy my tickets and wait for them. In my board, like 20 Sundowns. So I was able to see Durban City is. Where is Durban City? Yeah, but yeah, Siganji, see Durban City. Siganji. That is what I want. Yeah, I hope it's gonna be a good game. I'm actually at BP Garage. It's Chatsworth. Yeah, so tell my ticket. And then go into the game, boy. You know what I'm saying? Wonke lo ekhona.
Guys, no, so I appreciate you have which in a scholar man go yabo. Bottom man bese siyawina bonza. Oh, no, just itumela nje abantu basegola bakompetana. Thina abantu basegola labantu. Bona basegola nilokuza natural namo ukufaka. Ngikuthi thina sikompetana. Ya, sanda.
Everybody is talking about football right now. I'm telling you, everybody's wearing yellow. I don't know what Durban City is. Where Durban City people are right now. Hey, I'm telling you. But yeah. So we in a face. Doesn't matter what's but see Pirates is so win, and I'm trying to say Durban City. I'm telling you, everybody's wearing yellow today. Sundowns.
Mr. Kosin. Is it Durban City namhlanje?
Yeah. I'm telling you. Everybody is a Durban City. If you support the Pirates, whether you support the Kaizer, kodwa ekugcineni kosuku siyi-Durban City namhlanje. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But I'm actually waiting for Abangani Bam right now. They're coming. I'm actually waiting for them though. I think they're gonna be late. They're gonna be late. But it's still early though. Because it's Awashang show 7. Yeah, right now I'm going back to the center just to chill there. You know, nothing much, nothing less.
How many guys are done lost in this life? I don't know. Probably a lot, like 21. Back then it was the same old story. She on church on the actual glory. When it's back and it felt like Boba, kicking and shit for my persona. When I'm still in the kitchen, don't get it twisted. Man, big cooking with Kaya. When I drop this one, it's over. My man really be crossing them borders. Can't lose myself trying to prove to a bitch I'm lit, man. Fuck is you talking? On a rainy day, on a sunny day, you know I gotta go get it. With this rapping thing underrated, man, too different. They know how I do it. Step, 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 step in the beat and I leave in the mess. Businessman, I'm a CEO. Shawty wanna know if we can go table for two like me and you. Back in the days, it was me and who. Remember me?
You know where I'm at right now, nigga.
Hey boys, and I'm broke as fuck, but I'm here. I cannot act like I don't see it. I cannot act like I don't see it, my friend. I'm broke as fuck, but I'm here. I am here, boy. So I'm just gonna buy 2 nyana so that I can get some percentage in my fucking ass for the vibe Tizeni. My niggas are on the way right now. They taking a taxi, so they might take a little bit longer to get here, but they gonna be here eventually. You see how happy I am when I'm here, boy. I'm telling you, my nigga. But yeah, I just gotta make my mind up right now. Just through this tool here, cause I don't wanna be drunk now. You get what I'm saying? We buying inside. So you want it Durban City, you know what I'm saying? I'm very blue. Coming day, hi. Jealous another one, baby. Jela. El carro el ganchi. Welele. Ambisan nesko pa naksanga. Welele. Ay na leng maso si na. Pinangay bona man. Hamba nesko go we. Naifuna leng maso ba face. I want this one. I want it. Yeah. It's a PP garage. You know what I'm saying? Actually, they're buying tickets. Yeah. Actually buying tickets. Yeah. There's a stadium right there now. Yeah, where we buying? Sweetie pera. Susa lo mkuku wako wena. Susa lo mkuku wako. Actually, another one. You know, Indian sound. Ngeke moto ngeke uyithinte Indian sound ngemoto baba. Very thing. Still waiting. You know what I'm saying? Niggas are not pulling out. Still waiting for them right now. Hey, I don't know, bruh. I don't know. You know, don't trust niggas when they say they are actually 5 minutes away. It's been an hour now, dog. I don't say it's an hour, maybe 45 minutes. Waiting for them, bro. I don't trust anyone with time now, dog. I don't trust anyone with time. It's fine. I'm just gonna wait, bro. It's fine. You're actually vying inside. I'm telling Durban Waka City, Orlando Pirates. Durban City, Orlando Pirates. Hey, you know that team? Durban Orlando Pirates. Yes sir, we are buying inside right now. Hey, Tola, let's see Shamezu too. After 2 hours waiting for them. Trailer around the office. But yeah, we're buying inside now. Okay. Hey Baba. Salam. What's your shala? We're actually late. Game started and it's 20 minutes in. We're still buying in. As in Yamangani Durban City. Yes, one petit polo. Yakala la panapa Yamasha. Imlaleli, Aibo, Alfaga Pola, La Panam Lale, Nang Matthews, El Petela from Laleli, Mlaleli, Matthews, Wabos, Abat Defender, Durban City, La Painte, Soyan, and I'm trying Aibo, Engalenzi Putalona, Nabel Kipa, Durban City. Okay, German Jagger, see a puzzle, German Jagger, Mlaleli. Oh, my one is Sundown. Guys, Sundown, they're cool. Sundown, they're actually inside, boys, you know what I'm saying? Actually inside, no matter what, it's Durban City. We're inside, put my bonnet. I'm a figure of Pumile with a band of this. Number 3. Hey Baba, yeah, sit up and sit, Baba. Okay, face. And the la relaxing, Adam. Whoa, Sangana nina au Adams. Playboy Bonesh. San Jawan el Cool. Che Ancora replay che la va. Oh, che c'angiano, Sales non mi metti uso. Sales, Baba lapana pesa. Azifaka entebeni. Sometimes they shy touch it Izophela lezi siyayazi ke kanjalo namhlanje. Now Keith. I feel loose little bit. Albamba jina, but the flag lase Cuban in the face. Mama. You can end up. Pirates 3. Yeah. Arrows in it. Pirates in it. Arrows. Go thank you. Somewhere. So one name. Hey. This is outside. Polio kakhulu la. After manje. Sanya sabona usenze njani odi after manje. After manje, you know what I'm saying? Yes sir. Keeper 1-0 is not fair. The Pirates win. That's the point. At least. Man, yeah. More points. Hey, it's hard by there. Half time, Jana, so better something to eat or something to whatever. Ziyake bazu time zunyanga. Oh no. All over Valin. I'm understanding. Zini sifuna ubhayisi manje. Ubi type shit. Ass in that big. Hlangana nezinye izinja zami lapha zangasekhaya. Hey mama. Ngilambile mama. Ayisena ngishiya manje. Ngilandela umama manje. Niyama mama manje. We mama. We mama. Hayi bo we mama. Sangana. Seyihlahleni into. Buke ibhola intwana bese. Bese. Second half is beginning. Hayi bo shanga ifoni yami manje. Ishaya ifoni yami. No I'm saying. Second half is beginning. Where's my game? Boy, mate. Uva per no. Devono un po' ngabe sekhonyeni manje madoda. Yo. Siyabonga Williams, keeper of the country. Vuka ndio tungalala emsebenzini. Atumalo arre linesman etumela nje opposite yemanje Yebo. Madoda noma ipenalty madoda. We goal. Allo akazazi ukuthi ngena umshishi manje noba no Reyners hayi ke ezoshuba ngempela ke manje the Reyners ezimshishi hayi sazoshuba umuntu yaku World Cup awu mshishi first touch hayi Bangeni Omkwena izinja madoda omkwena nanga abafuna ukora la bafana lama ayeke funa ukora njamanje wanilo mude siyaphela vele game couple of seconds people are actually living. Shai skupu uni skupu last chance of the game. Urasta wapinda dali. Urasta wapinda dali. Nangela. Abahamba abantu man. People are living now. Game is about to end. Bashabele. Bashaya tatu. Siyahamba manje. Ngoba ubuka amalokhuzana ama-review guy. You don't do that, baba. You don't do that. Sanjawanza, happy, wara, happy people, what that shit. Pirates winning 5-0, winning. You know what I'm saying? Eh? Bunny? Sekuzoshho bona man of the match ubani. Angie, my baby. Now I shall my interview now. Okay, the game is finished right now. It didn't buy well, I won't lie. Actually ended in 1-0. 1-0 shower in like 10 minutes or less than 10 minutes. But then at least the Korea what the funny Japan City winner it's the Pirates. But it's fine. So right now sales imoto asasuhamba ngayo. Asazi kodwa sibabonile abantu bangasekhaya and siyabazi ukuthi bapake ngakuphi. Siyongena kubona njengamanje. Fuck what they say baba, siyakubona baba. Siyongena ngenkani phakathi. They're actually celebrating with Bawinile. Wara. 1-0 is fine. Take the ball. How long is she kept his Pirates in your face? No, my leg is again. Bro. Oh no, fuck on. Nah, it's the Pirates. No, my leg Pirates again. No, my leg case again. Yeah, but splendid office. Yeah, it's a similar to in Manja. We're actually fine.
I got a stick in the club, okay. I make him dance in this bitch, no way. She wanna see me face to face. I take shots on shots, okay. I got a stick in the club, okay. I make him dance in this bitch, no way. She wanna see me face to face. I take shots on shots, okay. Pretty girls just wanna have fun. Pretty face and I know she mine. Matter of fact, man, I know she down. She fucking with me cause I came from the dust. Take it easy, girl, don't rush. When it's easy, let's take it home. Found my place where niggas die young. I can die this young, man, I value my life. Fuck with me, we gon' pull up the jumpers. Shawty thick and she got that bumper. Move your waist when I hear this tune. Gangsta boy, man, I'm up in the club. I got bands on bands on bands. This shit is mad the way she move her back. I got bands on bands on bands. This shit is mad the way she move her back. Shake it, baby.
Yeah, we're actually done for the day. What's going on here with the camera and stuff? But it's dark though. So we're actually done for the day. We're going home now. Yeah. We see to Lily Transport, see. Yeah, my risk takers, baba. We don't pay around, baba. We take risk, baba. Yeah, but we're actually going home now. Just actually, yeah. Was a great game, was a great day, was, you know what I'm saying? After a very long time, I haven't watched a match, but I actually watched one today. So yeah, it was a nice one. Even though baby being a fool, look God, it was just 1-0 like that. Yes, sir. So I have to say goodbye to everybody. It's your boy. Ungona umkhulu songo sogodi uMasamnandi. Njengoshukela. We are